Hope you are doing great. So today our topic is how to add a gradient and Swift UI for the whole screen. So for that we have to have a new Xcode project. I already created a project. So in content view.swift we need a linear gradient for that, and here we have the colors which we need to put for that. So I am using dot blue and dot white, and here is the starting point from where you need to start for that. So I'm using top leading, and the endpoint will be dot bottom trailing. Okay, so here our content view is updating. So here you see our gradient color is showing right now, but it's not showing on complete screen. Here you see on the safe area is missing for that. So for that we need to have an edge ignoring Swift safe area for that, and we need to use dot all function for that. So after refreshing, here you can see it's showing the complete gradient color on complete screen. So hope you enjoy the video. So we will see you in the next one. Happy coding.